Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Datsun 240G. This isn't a new casting, but it's a new paint job on it. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 240G out of its box. And the thing you will notice most is this paint job. I don't know if those are like inspired from Japanese trees. I don't know, but they look good. The paint job is like custom paint job, flowers and all the stuff. And the paint, actual paint looks good, light blue. You also got the T written on top of it, like you get on the art cars. Same paint scheme continues. If we talk about details, there aren't any detailed headlamp or tail lamp or even the bumper. They are all body colored. But the interior is done in white. Again, misses out on the mirrors, windshield wipers. You can see there's like some details on the hood, but again, none of them are like properly detailed. You can see vents in the hood. You can see the bulge in the hood. You can see the headlamps here, front grille, fog lamps, lip spoiler. But again, none of them are detailed. Even on the side, there are no windows here though, so you can open inside. It says 240G there. Same paint scheme on the driver's side. Twin exhaust at the bottom. Yeah, so not much to talk about here. Wheels. So the wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. But they didn't do any chrome here, so it looks good. Kind of goes with that. But yeah, it's just a custom paint. Otherwise, it's just a standard 240G you have been getting for a long time. And if you look at the bottom, what does it say? So 240G ZA3277 Hot Wheels made in Malaysia. Should you get one? Again, it completely depends on you. It's not a new casting, so you might already have it. If you don't, you can get this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.